Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a creamy fettuccine sauce with crispy breaded chicken. Keep watching for the ingredients and how to make it. For the ingredients, you'll need 2 cartons of heavy whipping cream, real Parmesan cheese, onions, garlic, salt, and pepper. First thing you want to do is chop your onions. Then you want to heat up a saucepan with some oil of your choice and go ahead and cook down the onions until they are soft and translucent. Once they've become translucent, you want to go ahead and add your 2 cartons of heavy whipping cream and go ahead and stir that in. So I went ahead and added in my salt and pepper. And so the whole point of making this fettuccine sauce is to really let this reduce. So I put it on medium-high heat, and as you see, it's reduced. This is after 30 minutes. And by this point, I cut up some Parmesan cubes from the real Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And this is why I added less salt, because this is really salty. And you want to keep reducing this until it starts to stick onto the back of your wooden spoon. And you'll notice it getting thicker. I also did add some grated Parmesan to give it a little more flavor and to become more cheesy. And as you see, it's starting to thicken, and I put it on low heat here because it's almost ready, like 10 more minutes. And at this point, you want to start boiling your pasta. I just added some oil and some salt so it doesn't stick, and my sauce is ready. Once your noodles have cooked, go ahead and drain the water and mix it in, and your pasta with the fettuccine sauce is ready to serve. And now for the crispy breaded chicken, you want to go ahead and wash and clean your chicken breast. So then I went ahead and put the chicken breast onto a clean cutting board, and I put plastic over it because we're going to go ahead and pound this chicken. You want to pound it flat, so when you cook it, it cooks evenly. And I just used a metal spatula here. Now that my chicken has been flattened, I went ahead and I cut them in half, and I cut them into strips as well. For the breading part, you'll need breadcrumbs of your choice. I'm using whole wheat. I then went ahead and added in Parmesan and some salt to this, and you're going to go ahead and mix it. Now for the flour portion, I'm adding in pepper, salt, and paprika. Go ahead and mix that in well. For the egg portion, I used 3 eggs, and I went ahead and just mixed it really well. Now for the best part, you want to get your chicken breast, coat the flour onto it really well, dip it into the egg mixture, and lastly, put it in the breadcrumbs and really coat the chicken, because this is what's going to give it the really crispy, delicious flavor. And continue the same steps for the rest of your chicken strips. Now you want to heat up some oil in a pan. Once the oil becomes hot, put in your chicken, and you want to cook each side until the panko breadcrumbs start to brown and get a really nice golden color, as you'll see in the next slide. So you see here, this is the golden color you want, and the chicken is nice and tender. I then lined a tray with some newspaper so the excess oil drips off. And then I baked it in a 250-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed me creating this video. The pasta was so creamy, it was delicious. The chicken was nice and tender and crispy on the outside. Please like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below if you're a fettuccine lover and you'll give this a try. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell for future notifications, and as always, have a wonderful day. Bye!